Welcome everybody to Plumbing with Tim. Today we are on location at a local gas station. So we got the call to come out here to replace a backflow. I guess the city failed them on it and said that it needs to be updated, so we're going to try to tackle that today. Come on, let's go take a look. There she is, right there. Leaking. That's got to come out of there. There's the meter. We got to put a new one of those in. We're going to have to turn this off, which is before the meter, so we can get to the backflow. Let's go see if this will turn or not. There it is. Alright, we got the old backflow off and everything. But we have to make an adjustment here because this nipple that I took off at the end, the tailpiece, is about 1 inch too long for the new one. So I'll have to call and get some parts, and then we'll get the new one put in. So while we're waiting on a couple parts to put the new backflow in, just wanted to make a stipulation that you do not have to be backflow certified to install one, but to test them you do, and we have a fellow that is going to come do that and paint it blue and all that stuff once we finish with the install. Sorry about the audio quality. I don't have my GoPro with me today. This is on my iPhone. I did want to make a statement though. Here in Brevard County, Florida, it is the law to have a backflow installed on a commercial property and to have it done by a licensed plumber, and then have it tested once a year by a backflow technician that is certified. By no means am I a backflow preventer specialist, but I do know that they're required here on commercial properties to prevent contamination and water flowing backwards from the building or the property into the back into the city water flow, and that's why they're required. Alright, so one basic, simple, no-brainer rule of putting all this stuff back together is to make sure that it's all facing the correct way, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Meter, you're going to end up seeing an arrow that's pointing. That's the way that the water flow is going, as well as down here on the backflow. As you can see right there, arrow flowing towards the building, meaning that's the water flow and the direction that it's going. That's why you always want to make sure those arrows are pointing in the same direction as the way you want that water to flow. There you have it. That's the final product so far. You're going to have to put some blue spray paint on it and get it tested and stuff, but we're back in business. Have it. Appreciate you stopping by for a few minutes and watching me change a backflow preventer here at a commercial property. Listen, if you have more questions or want to learn more about backflow preventing, I'm going to leave a link down below. Make sure to stay safe. It's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.